Welcome to our mapping update video clip, and what we're going to do today is just show you how to update your listings to the correct latitude and longitude or the correct location on our map or on the listing map rather quickly and easily. And the reason that we need to do this is a couple of reasons. Number one is many times we'll have a listing that's in a new development or a new location that does not exist yet as far as the latitude longitude is concerned, and so we'll have addresses like TBD for to be determined, 00 or something like that. And so what happens is our maps of course have no idea where that is, and it ends up putting the address or the location of that listing in the middle of the zip code perhaps, or the city that it's in. There are times, however, when a listing is put on the MLS with the either incorrect address or an address that is made up by the seller. In other words, sometimes you will have a seller who has a listing out in the country, and perhaps they have a drive going to their house that they've decided to call a name, and so you end up listing that listing by the name of that drive, but that drive is not registered with the county, and the county does not have a latitude and longitude for it. So therefore, reporting to the geocoding databases in the world have no idea where that address is either, and so it kind of puts it in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean or Pacific Ocean as a result. So what we're going to do today is basically walk you through a real quick, easy process to update the locations of every one of your listings quickly and easily on one page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in as one of our agents out of the North office. And once I've logged into mytomlinson.com, we're going to go to what's called Mapping Reports under Listings. Again, it's just right here where it says Listings. Go to Mapping Reports. Takes us right to this page. And you'll notice it will show a list of every home that we have currently that is not mapped properly. And it will give us the MLS number, the address, the latitude, longitude that it thinks it currently is at, and then what's called the match level to the right, which is where it was able to match it to. I've given a key code here on the far right, which is broken down by those match level codes. So if it's an S or an exact match, it's not going to show in this list. Again, these are a list that's only going to show any mapped listing that does not equal S or an exact match. So in the case of the very first one here, it's a match level of Z, which means zip level match here plus 0. So in other words, it was able to match the listing to the zip code, but that was it. And so in this case, to fix this listing, all we have to do is click on the Fix the Map, and it will pull up a map just like this in Google, which will show you where we think it is currently. And we can zoom in or zoom out if you have a scroll mouse, or you can use the plus or minus keys over here on the left. And you can also grab the map and hold your mouse button down and drag it around just like this. And let's say, for example, this listing really is located right here in this location here. You'll notice we just click once rather quickly with our mouse, and you'll notice the latitude longitude is automatically put into the little boxes down below, and if that's correct, we just click the update map with its position. If for some reason though you clicked in the wrong location or that's not accurate, you can also click on that little point that it just created. It'll make it disappear off the map, and you can re-click wherever it should be and then click update map with its position. Once we do that, you'll notice it automatically updates that particular listing with the correct latitude, longitude, and puts the match level of S for that listing. Once we've gone through our list of mapped listings that are incorrect, and we have corrected them, all we have to do is click on Make the Mapping Changes. It automatically updates our list with all of the changes we just made, and you're done. If you have any questions, feel free to call us directly here at Affiliate Services. The number is 208-666-6234. Or you can email us to James, letter F as in Frank, at T as in Tom, B as in boy.com.